this is a sum of cubes problem. Okay, all right. Now 303 is the same as 101 times 3. Okay, 404 is the same as 101 times 4. Okay, 505 is the same as 101 times 5. All right, so our equation becomes s cubed, okay, s cubed. So in place of 303, we are going to write 101 times 3 cube. Okay, so you're going to apply this concept throughout. So you're going to have plus 101 times 4, okay, cubed. Okay, so you have 101 times 4 all in a bracket cubed, plus 101 times 5, okay, all in a bracket cubed. All right, so this is what we have now. Now here we are going to apply the product of powers property. If you have a times b all in a bracket exponent x, this is equal to a exponent x times b exponent x. Now let's apply this concept to the right part of our equation. So you're going to have s exponent 3 or s cubed equals 101 exponent 3 times 3 exponent 3 plus 101 exponent 3 times 4, okay, times 4 exponent 3 plus 101 exponent 3 times 5 exponent 3, okay. So this is what we have. All right, now 101 exponent 3 is here, it's here, and it's also here, okay. Because of that, we can factorize, or we can apply factorization. All right, so you're going to have s cubed equals 101 cubed, okay. So we are left with 3 exponent 3 plus 4 exponent 3 plus 5 exponent 3. All right, so our equation becomes s cubed equals 101 cubed, okay, 3 exponent 3 is 27, 4 exponent 3 is 64, okay, 5 exponent 3 is 125. All right, so you're going to have s cubed equals 101 cubed. Okay, now when you sum all this, or when you add all this, you get 216. Okay, all right, now let's proceed. We are going to have s cubed equals 101 cubed. Now 216 or 316 is the same as 6 exponent 3. Okay, that is 6 times 6 times 6. Okay, so 6 times 6 is 36, and 36 times 6 is 216 or 206. All right, so you're going to have s cubed. Now this part is the same as 101 exponent 3 times 6 exponent 3. All right, now we are going to apply a formula we have stated earlier, which is the product of powers formula, or which is the product of powers formula. Okay, now let me quote it again. If you have a times b all in a bracket exponent x, this equals a exponent x times b exponent x. Okay, so you're going to apply this concept to the right part of our equation. So you're going to have x exponent 3 equals 101 times 3, times 6 all in a bracket cubed. Okay, all right. All right, so you're going to have x cubed equals, are you there? Equals 101 times 6. Okay, now let's check and see. All right, so you have 101 times 6. So this is going to give us, now, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, so you're going to have this. Now here we compare both sides of the equation. Okay, and then we say therefore x equals 606. Okay, so by observing the equation, you can see that x is equal to 606.